Hello everyone, I'm Mandy. Today I want to be on camera. Let me give you a brief introduction. Our boss have 4 machine yards. We currently at one of them. The place I often shot at the closest one to my company office, about 300 meters away. This place is a bit far, so I really come here. In front of us there are many bulldozers. Now, let's have a brief check. As we can see, these machines are old, but this machine have a good price. Many people like this. If you want to buy cheap machines, please contact me. Bye bye.